going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and back with another hot crypto project. Today I want to completely discuss about the invokers. So what is the future of invokers? How can we participate in this and how or what can be done in the past? So I will be give you complete detail about this one project and all the related to this project you will be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And if you are new to the channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Dishan Hormuz. So let's get started recording the invokers. If you look to the main title of this project, you can see right here, ever up and onward. But right here I just want to go some detail about invokers. So right here you can see invokers, a project aims to provide quality and utility to the community by introducing the daily INV rewards in-house staking platform and play to earn MMORPG. So basically this is a project which provides quality and utility to community, and after that they also introducing the daily INU rewards in-house staking platform and play to earn MMORPG. But invokers team are all hardcore games with previous experience in game monetization, performance marketing, and game development. Invokers founder Sam has a successfully established and excited two digital marketing agencies focused on optimizing game mechanics when it comes to monetization and acquisition. After that, if you look at the invoker NFT, because this project have already a different type of NFT, you can also focus on that. Studio working on the invokers NFT project have a successfully helped big players in the NFT marketing on both ETH and Sol, with after market volume traded over 4,000 Ethereum invokers. And after that I just want to go invokers. If you look to the NFT or the gateway to endless perks, including giveaways on gaming setup. Attendance of the invokers submitted in the last Vegas. Please see page section for more detail. So I just want to give you some complete detail about the page section, but I just want to give you some launch trailer of the invoker NFT. Right here, if you just look to the invoker NFT, there's a real estate game. You can see right here they just focus on different type of they just want to fight with the different type of places. You can see right here, and you this game is very easy to play, but we just wait for the launching time, because launching time is not coming yet. You must be wait for that. After that you will be able to earn money from this game. After that I just want to give you some detail. Most importantly, the invokers NFT will act as the original characters in the upcoming invokers MMORPG. Invoker NFT will never be minted again or playable in the game and will be of high rarity. Invoker MMORPG is the open world play to earn quest based game built using Unreal Engine 5.0. Invokers MMORPG will allow user to dive in the role-playing world of heroes versus antagonists. So this is simply game between heroes and antagonists. And after that I just want to give you some detail. If we look into this game, we also improve the level in this game. Like here you can see level up weapons, abilities, and different drops which are tradable on the Solana blockchain using INUV Inventor token has been announced and will be the core to the Inventor Metaverse. Inventor's MMORPG is currently at the end of its pre-production phase, and it is scheduled to release its beta version for the Inventor's NFT holder by Question 2022. You can see this is too much important, and I highly recommend it. If they are gonna and they directly announced about that we are again to launch different type of NFT, so you don't miss any NFT from this website, because they also release its beta version for the Inventor NFT holder by Question number 1 in 2022. And 2022 is no for it is all just remain 5 days for 2022, so you must be participate in that. After that, I just want to give you some detail about the roadmap, because roadmap is also too much important for every token. You know about that already, because we know about every project, what can be done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future. So this is all about you can know about this in roadmap. So completion of 5,000 2D arts collection completed. Completion of 3D 5,000 art collection completed. DAO detail release completed. But this is all are completed in October 21. And right here I just want to go to November. In November they can complete many type of right here you can see they also completed DAO decide and data for airdrop of weapons, and they can complete different type of community decision or Inventor submit detail complete. But right here I just want to go to December, because December is too much important right now. This is December, and we can check out what can then done. So right here, first large partnership announcement complete. Right here you can see Regal Stock partnership community decision on chart used by Inventor for in progress. So this is on progress. This is not yet done. After full marketing activities in progress. And if you look at INV tokenomics release complete. After that I just look to INV daily reward for holder community decision complete. So this is also complete, but right now I just want to go to 2022 on January. So you can see official launch of Inventor NFT. So official launch, I just want to tell about that. You must be wait for that. After that you will be able and get NFT from here, but we just wait for launching. And if you want to get or notification about that, so you must be subscribe my channel for quick notification. I will upload second video about that after launching the NFT of Inventors. So right here official MMORPG release data, Inventor MMO beta access announcement to all holder, Inventor submit announcement, game setup raffle, and 5 soul weekly raffle began. This is also too much important for this one project, and you must be wait for that. After that you will be get more and more money from this one website NFTs. So right here I just want to give you some detail about this daily INU guaranteed reward for holders starting at 10 INU per day and upgraded to 10 INU per day later on. So you can see initial liquidity added by the Inventor team of 10 million on Medium permissionless pools, INU priced at 0.5 at launch. All holder of Inventor's NFT will be able to stake their NFT to receive 10 INV per day. So this is too much important. This is a hidden gem, you know about that, because if you look to this one point, because staking their NFT to receive 10 dollar INV per day, so this is too much high, and you won't miss this opportunity. Right here you can see also about this ultra Inventors or sets 20 NFT received 20 INV per day. So this is also too much important. But if you look to, if you hold 10 Inventors NFT, so right here this is a simple requirement for also their DAO members. You get to decide how the project runs, and it's come to airdrops, future sales events, and most important decide Inventors MMORPG roadmap and future. Voting rights and future of INV tokens, exclusive DAO private channel, and eligibility to join DEVS Artiscal. And if you look at all additional perks, you can also check out the all edition packs, all NFT play or crucial parts in the upcoming Invancers MMORPG NFT or playable character in Invancers MMORPG launching question number 1 in 2022. Full gaming setup monthly raffle worth 10,000 monthly raffle for all full gaming setup, which include top shell, custom PC, gaming chair, gaming headsets, and you can see as so on. So this is all about this one again. But if you hold 5 Invancers NFT, then you will be this is a requirement for this. After that, if you hold 1 Inventor NFT, then enters into the all raffles in exclusive holder private channel, and you can see and more picks. If you want to picks more, then you will be get more and more. But right now these are still on pending because we can participate in that. But if you want to join the free airdrops and as well as giveaways about this one project, so you must be join the main Discord group of this project, and also you must be join the main Twitter account of this project. Right here I just open that. You can see there is a very different type of giveaways and airdrops you can take out, and also you can participate in that. Hop on Discord to participate in the vote, so you can participate in different type of votes. So this is too much important for this one project, and you must be visit to that. After that, you can see there's different type of giveaways, and as well as here you can see airdrops. So you must be go and check out all about them. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot. If you like the video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Sean Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot.